Namaste students. I am Jeevan Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veteran Science, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic chemical method for the control of the microorganisms. What are the different chemical based methods to control the growth of a microorganism? So first we need to discuss about the disinfectants. Which disinfectants can be used? So first, disinfectant include the phenols and phenolics. Okay, what are the disinfectant? Disinfectant are the chemical agents which remove, which increase the, which reduce the growth of the microorganism. Okay, which remove the growth of the microorganism and the surface. So these are the disinfectants. So first disinfectant is phenols and phenolics, and phenols are the carbonic acid, and these were the first used by the lister disinfectant, and they are rarely used today because it is a skin irritant and has strong odor, and they are used in some throat spray, and they are used in the some specific experiments. They act as a local antiseptic. Currently, they are not using, but they were being acted as a local antiseptics. Phenolics are the second ones. Phenolics are the chemical derivatives of the phenols. So is the another chemical which is derived from the coal tar, means it is a lysol. Okay, and biphenols are effective against gram-positive staphylococci and streptococci bacteria, and they are used in the nurseries, and excessive use in infants may cause neurological damage of the biphenols. So they are not, they are suggested that biphenols should not be used by the pregnant woman, and they destroy these phenols and phenolics destroy the plasma membrane of microorganisms. They also denature the proteins of the microorganisms. Advantage is that they are stable, persist for longer time after applied, and they remain active in the presence of the organic compounds. So these are the advantages. Next, the halogen. Halogen are effective alone or in compounds. These are also important class as a chemical disinfectant. The halogen includes some examples like iodine. Okay? Iodine is a tincture of iodine. It was the first antiseptic which was used, and it combines with amino acid tyrosine in the protein and denatures the proteins of the microorganism. And it stains skin and clothes. Okay? It is also used in staining skin and clothes, and it is mostly used in the first aid box. And iodophores are the compounds with iodine that are slow. It takes several minutes to open and use as two antiseptic in surgery. Okay. And these iodophores are not effective against bacterial endospores. The example include the betadine that we are using, betadine cream and isoprene cream. Next is the halogen. Next example of the halogen is chlorine. First was the iodine, and second one is chlorine. Chlorine, when mixed in water, forms hypochlorous acid. Okay, like CI2 will combine with the water, and it will form chlorine plus HOCl, and that is hypochlorous acid. This chlorine is used to disinfect drinking water, pools, and sewage. Chlorine is easily inactivated by organic materials, and sodium hypochlorite is also a type of this chlorine. Sodium hypochlorite, that is NaOCl, and it's active ingredient of the bleach. Similarly, chloro means they consist of the chlorine and ammonia, and less effective as herbicides. They are less effective. Means sodium hypochlorite is mostly used, and they are effective as a bleach. Next is the alcohol. Next chemical of in disinfectant is the alcohol. Alcohol kills bacteria, fungi, but it do not kill the endospore or naked viruses. And it acts by denaturing proteins and disrupting cell membrane. It evaporates leaving no residues. When we leave the alcohol in free space, that alcohol will evaporate in the environment, okay? And no residues will remain in the whatever they are kept. They are used to mechanically wipe microbes of skin before injection or blood draw. And they are also used in sterilizing in many equipments, okay? And they are also used in the microbiological experiment. And they are not good for open wounds because they can cause proteins to coagulate. And ethanol is the example, okay? Ethanol is the example which is used in the drinking alcohol, and optimum concentration of ethanol should be 70%. And isopropanol, which is used as a hand sanitizer, it is also known as the rubbing alcohol, and the better disinfection is found in the isopropanol than ethanol, and it is also cheaper and less volatile than the ethanol. So isopropanol is very important in disinfectant. Now talk about the heavy metals. Heavy metals are also a good disinfectant. They include copper, selenium, mercury, silver, and zinc. And oligodynamic action is found by these heavy metals, and very tiny amounts are effective. The example include the silver. Silver is 1% silver nitrate is used to protect infants against the gonorrheal eye infection. That is the one example. And mercury is also an example. Mercury, organic mercury compounds like merthiolate and mercury chrome are used to disinfect skin wounds. And, next is the copper. Copper is also a heavy metal, and copper sulfate is used to kill algae in pools and the fish tanks. Next is the selenium. Selenium is also a heavy metal. The selenium kills fungi and their spores, and used for the fungal infections, and also used to dandruff shampoos. Next, heavy metal is the zinc, and zinc chloride is used in mouthwashes. Next is the quaternary ammonium compounds. They are also heavy metals. And, they are widely used surface active agents, and they are next class quaternary compounds, and they are cationic. Yes, they are positively charged detergents and effective against gram-positive bacteria, less effective against gram-negative bacteria. And also destroy fungi, amoeba, and some animal viruses. Uh, the example include the Jeffrey, okay. Capricorn also used for have spray bottles. And it is used for the Pseudomonas system. Pseudomonas system that are resistant and can go in presence of quartz are a big concern in the hospital. And the advantage include that they are strong antimicrobial agent. They are colorless, they are odorless, they are tasteless, they are stable, and they are not toxic. What are the disadvantages of the quaternary ammonium compounds? They form okay, organic matter interface with effectiveness, and they are neutralized by soaps and organic detergent. Next is the aldehyde. Aldehyde are also a disinfectant, and they include some of the most effective antimicrobials and inactivate protein by forming covalent crosslinks with the several functional groups of the microorganism. And the aldehyde examples include the formaldehyde gas. Yeah, formaldehyde gases are the excellent disinfectant, and they are commonly used for as a formalin. Okay, we know that formalin is a 37% aqueous solution, and formalin was used extensively to preserve biological specimen and inactivate viruses and bacteria in vaccines. And it irritates mucous membrane stronger due to stronger odor, and it also used in the mortuaries. Okay. It is also used in the mortuaries for embalming. The next example of the aldehyde is the glutaraldehyde. Glutaraldehyde is less irritating and more effective than the formaldehyde. And it is one of the few chemical disinfectant that is sterilizing agent. And 2% of the glutaraldehyde is bactericidal, it is tuberculocidal, and it is virucidal. And it can kill viruses, bacteria, and tuberculosis viruses in 10 minutes. And it has sporocidal in 3 to 10 minutes. And it is commonly used to disinfect hospital instruments, also used in mortuaries for embalming. Gaseous sterilizers include the chemical that sterilize in a chemical chamber similar to an autoclave. Okay. These are the seven number of the classes of the disinfectant, and they denature protein by replacing functional groups with alkyl groups. The thiamine oxides kill all microbes and endospores, but require exposure of 4 to 18 hours. They are toxic and explosive in pure form, and they are highly penetrating. Most hospitals have helium oxide chambers to sterilize mattresses and large equipment. The next class is the peroxidants or oxidizing agents. They oxidize cellular components of the treated microbes, and they disturb membranes and proteins. Uh, the, the examples include the ozone, and they are used along with the chlorine to disinfect water, and they help in neutralizing unpleasant taste and odors. More effective against the very effective. They are the ozone used along with the chlorine to disinfect water, and it helps in neutralizing unpleasant taste and odors, and they are more effective killing agent than chlorine, but less stable and more expensive. And they are highly reactive for the oxygen, and they are more made of the exposing oxygen to electricity or UV light. So they are very important. We know that ozone can uh, help in killing the UV, in removing, in absorbing the UV radiation. So it is more oxidized from the oxygen and help in improving the status, and it's also important in as an antimicrobial agent because it will kill the microbe. It will inhibit the growth of the microorganism. Next is the peroxidants. Peroxidants are used as an antiseptic. Hydrogen peroxides are used as an antiseptic, and they are known for open wounds because they can quickly broken down by catalase which is present in the human cells, and they are effective in the disinfection of inanimate objects. Okay? And they are sporocidal at high temperature, and they are used by food industry and to disinfect uh, contact lenses. And similarly, benzoyl peroxide is used in the acne metabolism. Next is the parasitic acid. Parasitic acid are also peroxidants. They are also oxidizing agents. And parasitizing acid are one of the most effective liquid supersites available, and they are sterilized. We can use in sterilization of some most of the molecules, and they kills bacteria and fungi less than 5 minutes. These um, parasitic acid can kill endospore and viruses within 30 minutes, and they are used widely in disinfection of the food and medical instruments, and because it does not have any toxic effects, so they are widely used in disinfection of the food and medical instruments. So in this video, I discussed about some different type of chemical disinfectants, uh, which include various kinds of disinfectants, which are phenols and phenolics, halogen compounds, alcohol, heavy metals, quaternary ammonium compounds, aldehydes, gases, sterilizers, peroxidants, okay, four type of peroxidants. So I hope that students have better understood all these uh, disinfectants and chemical agents for the killing of the microorganism. So the question which can arise from this lecture is that explain different disinfectants, different type of disinfectants which are used in the controlling the growth of the microorganisms. So you can answer all this, the eight type of disinfectants. Okay, so my lecture is over here. If you have any query, you can ask me. So thank you very much.